Time for an off-road adventure. But not before we stop by and get a little something for lunch. Before hitting the trail, I wanted to take the gang to a nearby heritage site. After all, for me, an off-road trip is never fully complete without visiting one. This time, that was an early Christian basilica in the outskirts of Varna. The vast church is said to date back 1600 years, and there is domestic quarter at the back. At the eastern end, there are two pastoforia that were probably used as defense towers. The floor under the altar was covered with massive tiles of marble. Over 100 square meters of stunning mosaics were uncovered, but unfortunately had to be buried back for preservation due to lack of funding. The site was discovered by the Scorpio brothers back in the 1960s, but it is rarely visited today and remains largely unknown despite of its close proximity to Varna. Now we are ready to hit the trail and see where it leads. Just between you and me, I forgot to lock the hubs. Let's fix that real quick and try again. Much better. The forest was getting quite dense, so we decided to try another route. Someone was clearing the forest but forgot to clear the trail. Eventually, we decided to take a walk. Time to grab a bite.
And action!
Bow. Bow. Bow.
The gang had to go home, but I wasn't ready to call it a day just yet. Don't let that last mud hole fool you. It was some very dry last couple of months. eventually arrived at the beach. And what a beach that was! Always calming. Time to go home. A final stop at the best viewpoint in Varna. With all the love padlocks. Any kind of love, I guess. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.